Hey everybody, I want to show you the 2020 Word Count Tracker Spreadsheet. When you open it, you'll have these instructions here telling you how to set everything up, and I'll do a quick uh, run through of it. So the project overview, here is where you're going to set up your projects. So you would just set up a new project here, you would name it, you would include your planned word count, as well as the planned finish date. And then once you start entering the data, the spreadsheet will keep track of everything here. As you go along filling out the information, you can check everything out in a glance here at the dashboard. It also provides you a writing streak. So if you write for 20 days in a row, it'll say here you have a 20-day writing streak going. If you stop on the day 21, it'll go back to no current writing streak, and it'll pick up again. So it's a great motivator. I love this part of the spreadsheet. And here's the monthly. Here's what it looks like, uh, where you would be entering the information. So for example, on January 1st, the first thing you need to do, you would need to select the project that you're working on. You can work up to 3 projects at a time per day. So for example, if you're working on 2 projects or you're working on one and editing another one, for example, you can do that and you can track both of them separately here. So you would select your project from the dashboard here, from the drop down. And once you select it, it populates all the information that you need here. So this project has a total monthly goal of 40,000 words. So it tells you how many words you need to hit per day to hit that target. And here's where everything's going to get tracked as you go along. So let's say on the first day you wrote 2,000 words. So you put that in. You'll put that in here. And then on the next day you wrote 300 words. And then again you wrote, let's say, 1,800 words, or well, 1,899 I typed in. And as you see, it keeps a running tally here. And then you can also see here, it starts tracking everything down. So for example, here's at this rate now, you only need to write 1,279 words per day. And then as you see, it shows you your total. It shows you the average so far and the percent left. This is 0 because I didn't enter the days remaining on the project overview, but if you enter your planned finish date, it'll keep that track. It'll let you know how many days are remaining till you hit it. And then it shows you how many words you need are left. So let's say this one was 200 words. Let me see, everything changes, and now you need to write a little more per day. Everything else has been updated here. This is a cool little feature here for motivation. If you meet your goal or exceed it, you get a green check mark. If you don't, you get a red X. And then this shows you how you're doing so far. If you're moving in a positive direction to meet your goal, or if you are not. And so let's just say you end up writing 1,500 words every day. So let me just copy that all the way down through here. And now as you can see, it's going to say that you finished, you're done. You're able to exceed your goal. So as you can see here, total words, 44,899. This is how many average words per day. Since you exceeded it, it's at 12% negative because you already exceeded your goal. And same thing here, shows you how many words you went over your goal. Let's say that you didn't quite make it. So let's say you only did about 100 words. Oops, let me say you only did 100 words a day. So let me copy that down just to show you. Now, as you can see, at the end of the month, it'll show you that you did not meet your goal. You're 75% off. You average 319 words per day, and you needed 30,000 more words to meet your goal. You ended up writing a total of 9,899 words. And as you can see here, all X marks because you didn't meet your goal. And same thing here. If you are writing on different projects in a day, all you need to do is just select it from the drop down here, and everything will get calculated. Then if you want to get a big snapshot of everything, you can click on the dashboard, and as you can see, it'll keep track of everything here. It'll show you your weekly word count, and it also includes a nice column chart and a pie chart because I like those. And then that's how you keep doing that. You just keep going month by month. The 2020 spreadsheet is ready to rock and roll. As you can see, February is a leap year, so you have an extra day, and that has already been calculated into this spreadsheet. So it's all ready to go. And if you're familiar with the spreadsheet from last year, you already know what a great motivator and what a great tool this software is. If this is the first time you're looking at it, you can order it on the down link below.